Elsie Tomar and I'm pursuing my diploma in computer engineering from LJ Polytechnic. And I'm here since more than 1 year. And it was really a great experience in learning new things and making my dream job to be successful. LJ Polytechnic has a huge campus with the most supportive and certified faculties. Before joining LJ, I was having stage fear and I was not able to speak up. But the faculties over here had supported me a lot in polishing my skills and strengthening my weaknesses. The whole LJ team is making our technical skills sharp as well as soft skills, which is the most important thing to present ourselves in the market. There are also many technical events, workshops, and expert lectures held by LJ Polytechnic, which made us curious to learn new things and try new things and show and explore our technical skills as well as soft skills. Along with learning, every year LJ Polytechnic organizes many events such as cultural event, deep rung, day celebrations, sports celebrations, and many more to show up your external skills like dancing, singing, acting, athletic, etc. So, if you are interested in making your dream job to be successful in a healthy and a joyful manner, so what you are waiting for? Join LJ Polytechnic. Thank you.